How to fix Modern Warfare 2 multiplayer not installing status, installing error. To fix Modern Warfare 2 installing multiplayer status, installing error, try these two methods. Method 1. Keep pressing the O/B on your controller until you land on the main initial screen of Call of Duty MW2. 2. Press the relevant button to enter desired game mode. 3. Choose the cancel option on the above-mentioned MW2 status, installing window. 4. Now, select Go Offline option instead. Like this. 5. Pick Resume Game option. Like this. 6. Pause the game and quit the mode. 7. Keep going back until the MW2 main menu, when you see mission select window. 8. Wait while the app is automatically checking for updates. Method 2, for PS5 1. Repeat method 1 above. 2. Reinstall multiplayer and co-op packs, add-ons, on your PS5. 2.1 Delete both multiplayer pack, 4.96 GB, and co-op pack, 2.62 GB, from Manage Game Content submenu. 2.2 Pre-reinstall the above stated add-ons. 2.3 Reinstall then update MW2 for PS5.